Hey guys, okay, got a new plant today. This is an indoor one, but we're gonna see what happens with it because every time I get these plants, I end up killing them. I don't know why, but I do. This is the house I had them in before, but I actually had them in the soil, different kinds of fly traps. But this time, my daughter, she always do this, went out and came in here with the she bought me one and I went back to the store and got two more. I was like, if I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna go all out. Anyway, this one, what I did was I left it in the plastic, and I'll show you guys the plastic, and I left it outside. This is the house that they came in, and I just took them out of the house and put them in my own little house. So we'll see what happens. For all day in the sun. It was wet when I went out there. You couldn't even look into it because it had fogged up or whatever, but I fed it. I killed a bug that was on my netting outside. I hit it with the fly swatter, and then I just picked it up with some tweezers and put it in the mouth of one of the traps, and it closed up. I don't know if you can see it, but it's that one right there, and it closed up, and that'll feed it for some time if they live. So this time I left them in the cups that they came in, and as opposed to putting them in my own soil, and I put them in this little house. I washed it, I sterilized it, I sanitized it, and what I do with these, I don't have to feed them. All I can do is take them out in the back patio, lift the top up, leave it open for a little while, and something is bound to fly in there and get caught up in their trap. So that's how I feed it, and this is my Venus fly trap, and I'm gonna try to take care of it. This and orchids I have killed in the past. I don't know why, but they die on me all the time. So I'll keep you guys updated. That's my new plant, and I guess that'll be the plant of the day. Day 15, Venus fly traps. See you guys on the next video. If you got some exotic plants, let me know. Tell me, drop a link down below and shoot me to your site so I can look at your indoor exotic plants. That'll be a nice little video. So I'll see you guys on the next video. I wish you love and light. A plant a day will give you a bountiful fall harvest. Love and light.